So I've always kind of thought of myself as a little bit of a hack when it comes to character animation. Like, the real animation artists sit under some sensei for years and work at Pixar or whatever. But I find it's a lot more accessible than I usually imagine it is, and something that professionals do, and something that really helps me as somebody who's not a professional, is just looking at video reference. And you can actually integrate that really nicely inside Blender when you're doing character animation. And so today, I just wanted to share you how I do that. So I have a video sequencer panel down here at the bottom of my workspace, and this is just set to sequencer. And then I've also got a little side panel here, video sequencer, and I've set this to preview. And I've just downloaded videos off YouTube. For this example, there's this dude kicking a field goal, and that was the same action I wanted this guy to do. So he throws this character into the wall. He does some really weird warpy stuff, but he's not on camera for that part. If it's not on camera, don't worry about it. But you can see this guy's actions start to line up pretty much in a one-to-one way with this guy who's kicking a field goal. And in this case, he's just kicking this other guy here. But you can see like all the crazy twisty stuff that people's spines do, and then just match those poses onto your animation rigs. And it's super good for like getting the timing right. Sometimes you can accidentally have stuff working too slow or too fast if your frame rate playback isn't exactly right. And you can film yourself doing this stuff as well. But like I said, sometimes it can be faster to just rip stuff off of the internet. It's pretty straightforward to work in the video sequence editor. I just go Shift-A, add in a movie clip, and I've dragged this to the right time in the sequence, just with G. And yeah, pretty straightforward. You can cut and stuff like that, grab the ends. I'm also using this to put in sound effects for my animation, which is kind of inspiring to me in the middle of the animation to be able to hear the sound effects as I'm seeing them, because I also find it really hard to stay motivated to do character animation. And then just having like 6 sound effects really helps me. And as you can see, for the next part of this sequence, just dropped in some Mission Impossible fight footage. I'm stealing stuff from The Matrix, stealing all sorts of actions from people that know how to do it and look cool, and I just copy those motions into my animation. If you mix and match enough, then I don't think it's bad. I think it's making a new cool thing. But yeah, that's the video.